மத்திய கயிறு வாரியம் சார்பில் பொள்ளாச்சி அம்பராம்பாளையம் பகுதியில் உள்ள தனியார் ஹோட்டலில் சிறு குறு மற்றும் நடுத்தர தொழில் முனைவோர்கள் மற்றும் தென்னைநார் தொழிற்சாலைகள் உரிமையாளர்கள் ஏற்றுமதியாளர்கள் கலந்து கொண்ட கருத்தரங்கம் மற்றும் கலந்துரையாடல் கூட்டம் நடைபெற்றது. இதில் தமிழகம், கர்நாடகம், ஆந்திரா, கேரளா உள்ளிட்ட பல்வேறு மாநிலங்களைச் சேர்ந்த ஏராளமான தென்னைநார் உற்பத்தியாளர்கள், ஏற்றுமதியாளர்கள், தென்னைநார் கூட்டுக்குழும நிர்வாகிகள் பலர் கலந்து கொண்டனர். இதில் மத்திய சிறு குறு மற்றும் நடுத்தர தொழில்துறை இணையமைச்சர் ஷோபா கரந்தலாஜி கலந்து கொண்டு தென்னைநார் தொழிலை மேம்படுத்துவது குறித்த உற்பத்தியாளர்களுடன் உரையாடினார். தென்னைநார் உற்பத்தி, ஏற்றுமதி மற்றும் மதிப்பு கூட்டப்பட்ட பொருட்களாக மாற்றுவதற்கு அரசு முன்னெடுக்க வேண்டிய பணிகள் போன்ற பல்வேறு கோரிக்கைகளை உற்பத்தியாளர்கள் முன்வைத்தனர். பின்னர் மத்திய இணையமைச்சர் ஷோபா கரந்தலாஜி செய்தியாளர்களிடம் பேசும்போது,
Many MSMEs are working for coir industry, especially in Tamil Nadu. More than 8,000 MSMEs are into coir industry. For coconut tree, we always say it's a kalparuksha. Each and every part of coconut is useful. Coconut tree is useful. That's why we want to develop clusters in coir industry. We want to give special focus in PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Scheme. In that we are giving 25% subsidy for women and SC STs, 35% subsidies in for setting up industries. Already 110 coir industries are taken subsidies from PMEGP program scheme. We want to develop more in that. And also the entrepreneurs, we are discussing with the entrepreneurs here who are working in the coir industry. They are all private people, but they got their own knowledge. They studied in different countries. That's why today we discussed with them, we interacted with them, and their demand is to set up a coir testing lab in Pollachi and also in Bengaluru. That's why in Tippambatti village we got 5 acres of land. In coming days we set up a coir testing lab in Tippambatti village, and also we are set up a lab in Bengaluru city. We want to reskill and upskill our laborers in the MSME. I focus today. The coir industries entrepreneurs should register in Udyam portal. Already 6.5 crore entrepreneurs registered in Udyam portal all over India, and they are registered in GEM portal, which is 25% purchase is mandatory in central government from MSMEs. It will help and boost the industry. And in Tamil Nadu, many entrepreneurs around Pollachi, around Coimbatore and all over the state, they are working for the coir industry, and coconut industry is really helpful to the farmers and also for the entrepreneurs. Even state government should encourage such industries. It's a natural fiber, it is a natural carbon. That's why we have to focus in this period of climate change. In the Tamil Nadu, state government is hiking the electricity bill every time. That's why the domestic people and also the MSMEs are facing problem, because they don't bother for the industry development. In Tamil Nadu, government is not encouraging MSMEs. They should have cut down the electricity bill of MSMEs, because this is the one area after agriculture employing more people. Till now, the agriculture and horticulture is employing more people in India. After that, MSMEs are employing 26 crore people are employed in MSMEs, given employment in MSMEs. That's why this is the second biggest employment area. Tamil Nadu government should have encouraged. They should have given subsidies for MSMEs, but they are hiking bill every time, electricity bill every time. Tamil Nadu government is not encouraging agriculture, horticulture, and they are into corruption. There is a land mafia, there is a drug mafia running here, there is a sand mafia. It is run by mafias. That's why we cannot expect good from them. And the women are not safe here. So many murders in the state. There is no value for lives in Tamil Nadu. And all their guarantees, like Karnataka, like Telangana, even in Tamil Nadu, the guarantees are filed. 1,000 for one woman. Where they are getting? Not even 25% women are getting 1,000. Free buses. And our ministers in Tamil Nadu mocking women. You are going in free bus. They are given free bus and they are mocking. This is what is happening in Tamil Nadu, and the Tamil Nadu government is totally failed. I demand white paper on financial crisis of Tamil Nadu. What is your financial status? How many crores loan you got? What is the burden of the state? What is the tax collection? I demand for white paper.